hiking through the redwoods tall, cathedrals built by time itself, big lush giants centuries strong, roots like stories in the earth. Cool mountain breeze against my skin, sunlight slicing through the green. Every step feels small and sacred, like I walked into a dream. And I close my eyes and breathe it in, salt and pine inside my lungs. Ocean's heartbeat somewhere close, I can hear the breakers run. Oh, where the giants touch the sky, where the waves and mountains collide. Cold air burning in my chest, feels so small but so alive. From redwood shade to snow-white peaks, from crashing shores to frozen streams, this world is louder than my doubts and quieter than my fears and dreams.
Ooh, let me stand where earth is wide, where wonder never has to hide.
Trail bends toward the edge of cliffs, ocean roaring down below. Mist rises from the breaking waves like breath from something old and slow. Then higher still the path we'll climb, past the trees into the white. Snow so bright it hurts my eyes, mountains carved in silent light. Breathing in that freezing air, sharp and clean inside my chest. Every exhale turning clouds, like the earth and I connect. Oh, where the giants touch the sky, where the sea meets mountain high, frozen breath in roaring tide. Nature's truth I can't deny. From emerald woods to crystal snow, from pounding surf to winds that blow, every step reminds my soul I was made to roam, to grow. No walls here, no noise here, just wind in my ears and truth so clear. Problems fade beneath these trees, ego small as falling leaves, snowfall whispering, look around, this is what it means.
Oh, where the giants touch the sky, where the earth breathes deep and wide, ocean breaking, mountains rising, feel creation come alive. Let me wander, let me freeze, let me stand in all of these redwood roots and snow-capped peaks, set my restless spirit free.
Yeah, this is living, this is peace.